it's moving day.
Both of us have the keys.
Yep, we're not moving to Hawaii just yet. But we do have a new temporary house. Because we get AC! Air conditioning! So there's the key. Alright, you guys ready?
Jingle keys.
Let's go check it out.
Pocket?
So there's the garage side. So it's separate, the garage. See if Ian knows how to open the door.
There's also one for the door.
It smells like they just painted this.
These are not the right keys.
It is the right key.
What?
You're just using the wrong one. Here.
Oh.
I'll let you twist it. Okay. Do you need help? You're turning it the wrong way. Boop. Oh, there we go.
There's the last door.
Oh, it's on the other side now. Oh.
Whoa, look inside.
Smells like fresh paint.
That's the laundry room. Mama, that's the laundry room.
I don't know our TV. We won't be mounting our TV because there's two windows. Let's see, then here's where our table's gonna go.
TV can go right here.
Oh, our TV is gonna go right there. We'll see. New kitchen. It looks way better than our last one. So here's Ian's new backyard.
Okay. Yep, it's pretty
Definitely
tiny.
needs to be
Our
watered.
last one is bigger.
Yeah, our last one's really big, but that's okay. There's a high school back there. So you can watch them play baseball if you wanted.
Yeah. Then we can go behind our backyard and watch the system.
It has what? Oh yeah.
We had a fire on one day.
There's the laundry room. Some shelving. You what?
Right here. Both of those boys.
Oh, here's the boys' room.
Yeah.
Whoa. Let's check out your closet. Wow. Where'd Ian go?
It's both of them.
What?
It's
a little secret spot.
Wow.
Wow.
It's both of them boys' room.
Yep, this is the boys' room.
Yeah.
Look at your ceiling fan.
That's a nice fan.
Yeah, you guys have a big closet now.
Yeah,
Put all your toys in there, huh?
Our closet was super small.
Then,
This is your room.
ooh, we got double storage slots
Mom, I
now.
know where your room is.
You know where
I'm
my
right
room
in
is?
your room already.
Oh, my
This bathroom
tiny,
and this one.
tiny mommy room. But it's okay.
Yeah. Mommy, look. Okay.
It's
Mommy,
okay.
there's even a bathroom.
Oh, and there's something on the toilet. It says, do not sit on this. Just kidding. And then the bathtub,
Why is it?
shower. Oh, we got a curved rod, I think. Yeah. That's nice. Oh, there's me. There's Ian.
It's just long.
No drawers. Why don't they like to give us drawers, Ian?
I don't know. You put
How
all
silly.
this stuff in here.
Yeah, we can still put stuff in there.
I put this stuff in here.
Let's see Mommy's closet. Look, we got a little shelf.
Same?
Yeah,
This-
your closet's way bigger, huh?
Yeah, yours is only like. Hey, there's a secret area too.
Yeah.
Then you have to do like this.
Then we're gonna go see Aubrey's room. Oh wait, over here. Here's Aubrey's room. And she has a little closet too.
The same size.
Yeah.
But
Same like our house we have now. Not as big as yours and Logan's closet.
this is
Huh.
our room. This is Mommy's. This is Aubrey's room. This one.
It smells so fresh
Oh
and
yeah.
clean.
This is our room.
Yeah, so do you guys like this house?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna live here for not even a year. We'll probably be here 6 to 8 months or something like that.
Bathroom.
And here's, let's see. Oh, no drawers here either. They just don't let drawers here for some reason.
Too, Mom. This is the laundry
Look at the
room.
laundry room.
Look, the top opens.
Yep. All right. Cool. So I guess we should start unloading. Huh? Should I start unloading?
What? The other one opens so good. It's like, watch. They all open like that.
Oh wow.
It's like
Yeah, we'll probably just leave theirs and then leave ours in storage, huh?
Like that.
It's easier.
How will this is the one that is
Oh,
cool.
so soon
Open
this is
like
gonna be
that.
cool.
Mom, why is there a bed apple right here?
Okay, let's go. Our house is slowly coming together. There's Aubrey. All our stuff.
That's a different house, Mom.
Yeah, we're at the new house.
Yeah.
Daddy is putting together our couch. But eventually we will upgrade. But I don't know where your sandals are, you guys. There is our trailer. What? Okay, you can wear shoes with no socks. How do you like our new house?
Good, Mom.
Good?
Yeah.
They're not?
Yep.
Oh man, you lost your shoes already?
No, I think I left them at the other.
Oh, they're at the other house. Ian, hey, what do you think of our new house? I think he wants to live on that trailer. Maybe that trailer could be your new house, Ian.
No.
That's a good idea.
No.
Ian could live here.
I'm not gonna live here.
Oh wait, sit down. Is that your new chair?
No.
Well, that's cool.
No, my dad's going to take all of the stuff out.
Oh,
Put it in that house.
yeah. That tree is
I'm hanging out right here.
cool. That looks comfy.
Oh, it's so hot.